Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how high-speed trains are made, steer step by step.
The materials are meticulously engineered for optimal strength, allowing for high speeds while prioritizing safety.
Did you see the fluctuation on the main spar?
Yeah, adjusting the tolerance now. It's stabilized.
Each train is precisely engineered and tested to meet the highest performance standards.
Every train is thoroughly tested before entering service.
All clear on the starboard side, keep it coming slow.
Braking now, coming to a full stop.
Confirmed, delivery complete.
And that's how high-speed trains are made. Mint mandate from start to finish.